Bending the air conditioning fan blades when removing the unit cover can create immediate noise and lead to further mechanical imbalance and damage. When a blade is bent even slightly, it changes the balance of the rotor and causes vibration that wears bearings, stresses the motor, and reduces airflow efficiency. Inspect blades visually before and after any cover removal, and rotate the fan by hand to feel for rubbing or rough spots, keeping fingers clear of sharp edges. If you notice a small bend, realign the blade by gently bending at the base using pliers wrapped in cloth to avoid creating a new crease. Then spin the fan manually to confirm smooth rotation. For any contact that produced nicks or cracks, replace the blade because microscopic damage will grow under load and lead to failure. Always disconnect power and wait for capacitors to discharge before working near the fan to avoid shock or unexpected startup. Use a flashlight and a small mirror to view hard-to-see areas rather than forcing access with tools that can strike blades. Common issues are persistent noise from a slightly bent blade, which you can often fix by careful realignment and confirming the fan spins true, motor heating caused by imbalance, which requires replacing the damaged blade or having a technician rebalance the assembly, and accidental cuts or tears to a blade edge that will create aerodynamic turbulence and must be replaced to prevent further damage. Also, watch for foreign debris pushed into the fan when manipulating the cover, which you can prevent by covering the intake and working slowly, and check the mounting hardware for looseness after any impact because loose screws amplify vibration. Tighten to manufacturer torque specifications or use thread locker if appropriate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors, so we can quickly find professionals who handle equipment repairs, including air conditioning, fan issues, and other HVAC work. We also provide a community discussion area where we can share experiences, ask questions, and get practical tips from other homeowners and contractors.